Hi, today I'm launching a new website. This website has all of the Living Life Simply recipes written out in detail, as well as shares great resources for people who are interested in becoming vegan, as well as for vegans who are interested in becoming activists and learning further about veganism. The link to the website will be the first thing in the description below. And now let's take a look at the website. This is the home page where there is a button for recipes, there is a button for vegan resources, as well as a little bit about me. When clicking on the recipes, it will take you to the page of all the Living Life Simply recipes. And if you want to watch a video that goes along with the recipe, you simply click on the photo and it will direct you to the video on YouTube. If you want to find a recipe in a certain category, at the top of the All Recipes page, there is a menu bar that breaks down the recipes into different categories, and you can look through there. So for example, if I click on entrees, it will take me to all the entrees that exist in the Living Life Simply recipes. If you click on the vegan resources page, I have resources for both people who are interested in becoming vegan and people who are already vegan. If you're interested in veganism, I have 2 Kickstarter programs on there that help you start your vegan journey. I also have a list of documentaries that are great to watch in order to further learn the way that living vegan improves your life, as well as the life of animals and our environment. And all the documentaries and videos that are underlined, it's because I have a link for them, so simply click on them and it will take you directly to the link. And if you're already vegan, I have some resources that are great in order to continue your vegan lifestyle, as well as if you're interested in becoming an activist. I have some great resources on how to start that. At the top of all the pages on the right hand side, I have 2 YouTube logos as well as an Instagram logo. If you click on the first YouTube logo, it will take you to the Living Life Simply page. If you click on the second YouTube logo, it will take you to the Vegan Girl Travel page. And if you click on the Instagram logo, it will take you to the Living Life Simply Instagram. So there you can find me in all of those. And also at the bottom of every page, I have a subscribe option in which you can subscribe for a monthly newsletter. You're able to visit this website both on a computer and on a phone. That's all there is for the website. I hope that you will subscribe both to the website and to the channel, and I will see you tomorrow with a new recipe. Bye!